These super flavoursome, juicy Thai turkey meatballs in this banger of a spicy, rich coconutty sauce is so good. I think you're going to love it. I mean, if it tastes as good as it looks, you know we're onto a winner here. We're using turkey mince, which can be a bit meh, but we're loading it with so much flavour, it just takes this super lean, economical cut of meat and just gives it this flavour transformation. So honestly, if you think turkey's a bit boring, cook this and you will be very surprised. So we're bunging all these ingredients in to make the meatballs and mixing them all through so it's nicely combined. Then you're going to shape them into meatballs like small golf ball sizes. And then for cooking, you can do it however you like. You can just bung them in the oven, you can do them in the air fryer. I like to pan fry them just because when I'm filming it, it's easier to do it all in the one place rather than like faffing around with air fryers and so on. But cook them until they get some nice colour on them. They don't need to be fully cooked through, just about 80%, because they'll finish cooking when we make the sauce. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. To make the super quick sauce, all we're going to do is just chop up some spring onions along with a red pepper. I've actually got a green pepper there just to fool you. I thought about using it, but I don't actually use it. You don't need it. So fry the pepper and spring onion in that same pan. Add in your light coconut milk. It doesn't split like it would do in the slow cooker, so light coconut milk is fine, along with a load more Thai curry paste. And then peanut butter is this little secret creamy ingredient for texture. I don't think this needs any salt because the seasoning from the Thai curry paste is salty enough. I don't think it needs any chili either because the paste is already quite spicy. Then add those turkey meatballs back in, reduce the heat down and simmer that for about 10 minutes till it thickens up and those meatballs are fully cooked through. Serve it with rice, garnish with some green and get stuck in. Drop me a wee comment below if you plan on making this, and if you want the full recipe, you'll find it in my app. As always, there's a link in the description to download it.